Requesting JKFC team to please come forward for the photograph. JKFC team, please come next to the stage for the photograph. Requesting JKFC team to please come for the photograph, please. The next match would be of Manikpur C and Viva Excellence. So both the teams be ready. The Manikpur C and the Viva Excellence will be played after this match. JKFC, please come forward. The match starts between Yon FC and JKFC. The Yon FC in a green and black jersey. JKFC with blue and white jersey. All set to take a toss. Both the captains having a chat with the referee. Next match would be between Manikpur FC and Viva Excellence. So requesting both the team to get ready. The game progresses for the of JKFC and Yon FC. The referee whistles and the ball has been kicked out of the playing area. There's very windy conditions and very hot conditions which is going on. But it's not as hot the games are going on. Have you seen the game before this, how the Palkias were very slow to start, but once they started, they were striking very well and they won by the 2 goals out there. Now we got the JKFC and the Yon FC players with a beautiful fluorescent jersey with Yon FC and the white and blue jerseys of the JKFC. A lot of wind and dusty and sweat which is going on to this game. The ball is now in passed on between the players of JKFC and back to the end. Is kicked in the Yon FC area, but again it's collected by the jersey number 7. But not able to take the control of the ball, lose it, but kicks it, collects it back and kicks it, but it passes on the wrong side. And yeah, the ball is in position with the JKFC, not able to have control of it, loses the ball. Shoots it back again. JKFC, but it's out of the playing area. And this is wonderful and hot, humid conditions out here, and we were quite windy as well. And but as you see, the crowds are coming in right now. It's about to get a little colder, so the people will be around. And the ball is kicked out. Again, Yon FC, jersey number 22, gives a header. And we welcome back our main commentator out here, Mr. King Edward. And as you see, the ball has been given to JKFC at the corner. It's about to hit the corner. Let's see if the shoots a ball from the ground, not above it. So not able to control that ball and not able to convert it into any positive goal or near the goal post. A JKFC goalie kicks the ball back again, but it's wrong pass and it's back to Yon FC. To jersey number 22. He's been a good defender, and jersey number 21. But there's a little manhandling out there, I guess, but referee stops it, the games with a whistle. But the ball is handed over back to JKFC. The goalie is about to collect the ball and throws it back to jersey number 8. He passes on to this defender next. He passes back to him. Takes a shot, passes towards to jersey number 7. But as you see, the Yon FC defender number 22 is defending the ball quite well. And but kicked it out of the playing area. JKFC throws the ball again. Jersey number 7 kicks it back. Yon FC has a chance out here, but let's see if he can tackle it and take it forward, but not able to control the ball and loses the position of the ball. The ball is back to the JKFC. JKFC passes on to defender. Defender passes on to the midfielder number 9. Midfielder passes on to the striker. The striker passes back. That's but as you see, Yon FC has been good in defense, and JKFC tried to kick it out. There's a good shot, but is quite saved. Very well saved by the goalie of Yon FC. And the ball is just towards the photograph area, and the referee is requesting for the ball. Manik. The game has been halted because the ball is out of the ground. It's been collected and sent back. JKFC takes a corner just on the left hand side, takes a position, try to kickstart in the penalty area, but very well defended by the Yon FC. The defense, as you see, has been very strong. But let us see if they can, the strikers as well, if they are striking and attacking also is that good of the defenses. As you say, the game is quite picking it up. It's been started very slow, but picking up. In the last game you have seen, the first half was very slow. Then the aggression started in the second half, and we've seen the 2 goals coming by the Palkas in the previous game. But similar to that, this game also started slow, but picking it up. The JKFC has been very aggressive, but they have a few chances, but not able to hit the ball in the goal post. It's been passed to jersey number 7, very well defended by the Yon FC. There by jersey number 14. JKFC 45 pushes the ball, throws the ball towards, is another player, kicks it in the right spot, but very well saved by the Yon FC goalie. He's been tremendous this today evening. He's been saving goals very well. Had a very good training the last 6 months and doing very well. The ball is behind the goal post of JKFC. JKFC goalie collects the ball, takes the position, kicks it to the defender, passes on to the defender. Defender gives us passes to the left side, get the pass back. Jersey number 6 collects the ball, kicks it back of JKFC. JKFC has a good position to kick it, but the striker number 6 was not able to take a position, kick it back in the goal. But as you see, the Yon FC are doing very well. Their defense has been very beautiful and wonderful. And as you see, JKFC has been a very good striker and showing the aggression out here. The ball has been passed on to the jersey number 7 from 45. 45 passes it back, kicks it to jersey number 7. He has a chance to get it back. And JKFC has a chance to convert this. Oh, very well. But there's a chance, and that's a goal. JKFC were trying so much, but now this has been converted in a goal. They tried at least 4-5 attempts, but this attempt wasn't a goal, and that was a wonderful strike, which I have shown by the JKFC. The aggression is very high with them, but at last they have broken in the defense of Yon FC. Yon FC again going slow, but not able to hit any towards the goal post. As you see, the JKFC have been the dominant side. Back passes, but JKFC, the players showing the aggression. After the goal, they have been more aggressive. But it's a whistle from the referee. The ball is stopped. Pass it on to Yon FC. Yon FC 21 shoots it back to 11 number, but it's kicked back in the corner. Yon FC gets a corner out here. He takes a position out here. Let's see, they have a chance if they can convert this corner into a goal, but very well defended by JKFC. JKFC kicks it back. JKFC. Jersey number 7 is back in action, but he lost the ball. Again, there's a whistle from the referee. The ball is passed on to Yon FC. Yon FC passes it on. Back to defend number 26. Passes on to jersey number 21. Let's see if they can be near they are near in the penalty area. They have a chance out here, but no one to be seen out here. The ball has been kicked out of the playing area. Very well. Yon FC has not been able to shoot any ball towards the goal post. The defense had been good, but still JKFC penetrated in the defense once and twice. And once they penetrated and converted that into goal, that was a wonderful goal out there. The ball is in the corner. Yon FC gets the ball, he throws it towards the penalty area. JKFC player gives a header, passes on, but it's back to Yon FC. Yon FC trying very hard to equalize the match, but it's been very tough for them even to get near to the goal. Yon FC 21 passing it on to number 11. 11 number shoots out. Again, it has gone very far from the post and it is in the corner.
पापा
गलती पापा की नहीं, उनके साधारण टॉवल की है। इसलिए घर लाइए वेल्सपन का क्विक ड्राई टॉवल, जो जल्दी सूखे जल्दी सुखाए। वेल्सपन, लाइफ से मांगो मोर।
मन के धागों से बंधे रिश्तों की डोर रे।
कितना दूर है आपका घर?
हमारा बस आ गया।
गांठ जो पड़ जाए तो उलझे दोनों।
ये है हमारा लिविंग रूम, ये है मम्मा की साइड और ये है डैडा की। उनको ज्यादा ठंड लगती है। बेस्ट रूम तो अब तुम्हारा होगा।
It's nice.
No, it's not. तुम्हारे बिना तुम्हारा रूम हम कैसे डिसाइड कर सकते थे?
डोर रे सुलझी डोर रे डोर रे डोर रे सुलझी डोर रे।
Make space for new beginnings with Spaces.
all set to begin with the second half of the game with Yon FC and JKFC. The players all in their position. JKFC starts it off, give the back pass to jersey number 8, kicks it off. Yon FC kicks it back. That's 1-0 which is going on here with Yon FC with still no score. JKFC has the 1 goal. Let's see if the Yon FC can equalize it or JKFC can get a second goal out here. It's quite windy and humid and hot, but as you say, the football is a game loved by millions of people, and the enthusiasm which is going out here is very electric. And the teams which we have this year are all like been the champions. Like all teams have been the champions out here, even if they lose, but they're champions. The next match, which is after this, we got Manikpur and Viva. So requesting both the teams to get ready, set up for the lineup. Manikpur C and Viva Excellence. Yon FC trying very hard.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Football Carnival. Manikpur C versus Viva Excellency. Requesting both the teams to please come in front of the backdrop and take your picture shots. Give us your lineup, give us your entry fee, and then your match starts. We have found a blue bag, a blue big bag which has been lost by someone. Please come identify and claim it. I repeat, we have identified and we've got a blue bag. It is in our custody. Please come forward, identify it, and please collect it from us. Football Carnival from yesterday till tomorrow. 3 days Football Carnival. The biggest ever in the Vasai-Virar region is here at the YMCA ground, organized by Jesus Art Foundation for the last 19 years. Believe me, and 7 times has been won by V United. Next match between Manikpur C versus Viva Excellency. Both the team members requesting you all to please come in front of the backdrop and take your pictures. Over to you, James.
Welcome back, King Edward. That's been wonderful of you to join me out for this wonderful game of football, which has been happening from yesterday. Jesus Art Foundation, the organizer for the game, and the sponsors, you know, we got Wellspan Living, and okay. Now you see the match is getting tougher. Yon FC is not able to convert any shots towards a goal. Finding it difficult. Let's see. JKFC has been more aggression of the possession of the ball. I think 70% of the possession of the ball is with JKFC, 30% with Yon FC. Getting it tough in the corner. Yon FC trying it hard, tries to kick it back to jersey number 21. That's the defender out there. Passing it back again on the other side of the ground. It's coming forward slowly and smoothly, but it's been tackled and the ball has been taken back by jersey number 4 of JKFC. And it shoots it to the goal but misses out. That was a great chance which they had, but he missed it out just with a fraction. And that would have been a great goal, or the second goal for the JKFC, but they missed it out. They have the few opportunities which they missed out, but they had converted one opportunity and made it into 1 goal. Yon FC are still with 0, not able to convert any other chances in goal. Yon FC, jersey number 10, kicks it back. They are just playing very defensive. Jersey number 26, back to jersey number 10. Passes on. They have the chance out here to get in the penalty. It's in the penalty area, but very well defended by the JKFC out here. It's kicked out of the playing area. Now they get a corner. Yon FC gets a corner out here. Jersey number 26, all set. It throws a ball, but misses it. The ball is with jersey number 4, passes it on. 22, back passes. Yon FC has a lot of back passes. They are not playing as aggressive they should have. I thought the second half the game would change, but it's still the same. JKFC is showing better aggression than Yon FC. Yon FC's defense is good, but not good enough as they conceived one goal. JKFC jersey number 45 showing some potential and kicks it back to jersey number 7. Not able to collect the ball. Yon FC gets the ball back. He kicks it back 20 number, but the ball is with jersey number 12. They have a chance, JKFC, and that's a goal. What a wonderful strike that was by the JKFC player. They have been very aggressive in this second half of the game, and they had few chances, and they have not missed much, but they have scored their second goal out there. Now Yon FC have to pull up their socks if they want to get back in this game. They have to be more aggressive and get more possession of the ball and be more attacking. Yon FC kicks the ball, but no one is there to collect it. The defense was not good in the first half, JKFC, but they have shown better defense right now. The striking was really good. Even the ball position they have, the tackling is also good. But as you've seen, they have strike twice in this game for 2 goals. They had they missed another 2 goals. It could have been 4-0, but as you see that they missed 2 goals with a very small margin out there. It's like it's very difficult to convert chances into goals. Yon FC, jersey number 7, kicks it into penalty area. Again, there's no one to collect it. The ball is back with JKFC. Passes it back to jersey number 8. Pass it to jersey number 18. Jersey number 99. Back to the defense. Jersey number 45. Back to jersey number 8. Passes on to the goalie. Goalie kicks back to the another defense, but that seems to referee whistles is out. Passes on to the jersey number 8. Again to the 6. Come on, he shoots it out. Do we have a chance for the 3rd goal? No, the chance has been lost. They have not even able to be near the penalty area. The player and as well the ball both are kicked out of the ground. 99, he shoots back. Well saved by Yon FC goalie. He had a tough day today, been seeing a lot of goals. Kicks it. Let's see if Yon FC can get the control, but they lose the ball again and it's out of the ground. Jersey number 80 throws the ball to jersey number 99. 99 tries to pass it on to 12, but he loses the ball. The ball is with Yon FC, but they have been playing in their own area for a long time, not coming towards the JKFC goal post. So like it's slight of defensive, but when they shoot it out, there's no one out there. JKFC's other side have been more aggressive. And the whistle blows, and JKFC win by 2-0.
We're back to the game, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, we've got 2 stalls out there and 2 cold drink stalls. Enjoy the soft drink, enjoy the golas, enjoy the Nimbu Pani which has been served, and we've got one stud counter here. All thanks to Anza because they're selling lovely studs at a discounted rate. Coming up is Manikpur C versus Viva Excellence. Yeah, DJ, wait. I still repeat, if anyone has lost a bag, we have found